channel. As I'm filming this, it is about a week before Valentine's Day, which is one of my favorite holidays. I've just always loved it, whether I was in a relationship or not. I mean, first of all, I love the aesthetics of it, if we're being real, but it's also just such a sweet holiday, just all about love. Even if you're not in a relationship, this can still be a fun holiday. So I thought we could just hang out today and do some fun little like Valentine's Day activities. First thing we need to do is pick up a few things from the grocery store, so let's go. Okay, you guys, I actually lied. Before we go to the grocery store, we are stopping by Ulta. I am filming a really fun brand deal today. This video is not sponsored, but you guys will see it on Shorts and on my TikTok and Instagram. I am picking up some press-ons at Ulta. My nails are not looking good at all, so we're gonna do them today, and I'm really excited. I have had no nails on for the past few days, and I have not liked it at all. I love having nails, so I'm super excited. All right, you guys, back in the car. I did get a couple more things than I planned, but that's okay. I had to look at the hair clips. I mean, come on. This one immediately caught my eye. This is so pretty. The woman that checked me out was like, this is so Louis Vuitton. And I was like, wait, I love that. I don't know, I just thought this was so cute. It looked like MEJ to me. I love MEJ though. They will always be my favorite place to get hair clips because they're just such good quality, but I've actually never tried Kitsch before, so we'll see how these compare. And then I got this set. I don't think I'll really end up wearing the black one that much. That actually could be kind of cute with like an all black like workout set or something, kind of sleek. But I mainly got it for this tortoiseshell one because I was influenced by this girl on TikTok who had one on her purse. I actually have an MEJ clip on my purse right now. And this little bag charm from Urban Outfitters. Is this not so cute? I'm obsessed with it. I've been loving bag charms and the sound it makes. Something about it. If you get it, you get it. But I have an MEJ clip on my bag and I saw a girl with a little tortoiseshell clip like this and it just looked adorable. So that influenced me immediately. Now we are gonna head to the grocery store. I wanna bake some fun things. I wanna make a fun little drink. It's gonna be a good day. I forgot to say, but it's also freezing every time I go in this grocery store. So I brought this adorable little crew neck. This was sent to me by the brand Spiritual Gangster and I'm obsessed with it. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna throw this on when we go in. Okay, I'm back home. My camera is too heavy for this tripod. Don't mind that it's sinking, but here's my little haul. I got some strawberry soda and some strawberry ice cream. We are going to make a little strawberry float. I saw this on TikTok and it just looked so good. I love soda and ice cream together. I'm hoping this is good because I've never tried either of these. This isn't for today or anything, but I did get some yogurt. This yogurt is so good and it's pink. I got some cute sprinkles. I might make some cake pops in this video. I don't know. I'm posting a little tutorial on how I make them on like TikTok, Reels, Shorts, all of that, and I kind of want to make some today. I haven't decided because I'm already having a lot of sweet things, but it's Valentine's Day, who cares? Got some cupcake liners. I'm not sure if I have these or not, so I thought I'd just be safe and get some. And then last but not least, I was very happy to find eggs. That is pretty much everything. I got eggs because I want to bake a cake today, actually. I meant to say cupcakes, but I have this cake mix and then some cute pink frosting. But I am so hungry and so tired right now. I don't know why. At the grocery store, it just hit me. So I'm gonna have a snack and have some of my coffee from this morning. And while I do that, I'm gonna finish the episode of The Bachelor from this week. I haven't finished it yet, so I figured that was the perfect thing to watch right now. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so the next thing I did was film my little brand deal. This one was so much fun. You guys know how much I love my press-ons. It's always so cool when a campaign just aligns really well with you and feels so fitting. But I can't show you guys the actual video yet since it hasn't technically been approved yet. So I thought I'd just get this little like behind the scenes type clip and you guys can see me changing all the angles and just what it looks like when I'm filming something like this. The original clip was 50 minutes long. It's obviously super sped up. But yeah, this was so much fun. Every day I am just so grateful that this is what I get to do with my life. I've told you guys this before, but I've dreamed of being a YouTuber ever since I was 10 years old. And so the fact that now I get to do things like this that don't even feel like work, but this is like how I make a living is just so awesome. And I'm so grateful. And it's all thanks to you guys too. So just thank you for supporting me and allowing me to literally live my dreams. It's so much fun. Okay, you guys, the nails are done. I hope you guys liked that little behind the scenes. That was really the only way I could film it since I was gonna have to film two things at once. The nails are so nice. I had never used the little like tabs before, if you know what I'm talking about. They're like little stickers that you put on your nails to stick them on instead of gluing them on. So I had never used those before. Honestly, just because I didn't think that they would hold up, but they are way stronger than I thought. So I'm really excited about these. They're a way less damaging option too. You can obviously still glue these on, but it comes with the stickers. Again, this isn't sponsored. I'm just telling you guys because I really like the product. I hope you guys know by now that I would literally never accept a brand deal for a product that like I just didn't like and wouldn't spend my own money on. Oh, I forgot to preheat the oven. But yeah, I've literally canceled brand deals before because I received the product and then was like, never mind, I actually don't like this and don't want to like tell people to buy it. Okay, we're doing a 1/2 cup of oil. Also, I got some cute new mixing bowls. They're ceramic. I feel like a real adult. Now I'm adding the water and then 3 eggs. Shoot. Not off to a good start. I say this every time I bake on my channel, but I want to actually do this from scratch eventually. Today is just not that day. I don't know when that day is. I would love to be really good at cooking and baking because I do enjoy it a lot. It's just sometimes I don't have the energy for it. Also, this is so random, but I have been filming a bunch of like days in my life for TikTok. I've also been posting them on Instagram and YouTube too. And that has been so much fun. You guys know I've struggled with TikTok for a while. I don't know what it is, but I feel like for the past couple of years, my account was just not really thriving, even though I was trying. But I've been making these day in my life videos and they have been doing really well. Like, you guys have been really liking them and that just makes me so happy because I love making them. Like, they're so fun to film. They're probably my favorite short form videos that I've ever done, and I've just been trying to get a little bit more like creative with short form content, and I have just been having so much fun with it, and I feel like it's gotten me back into this like creative mood. It's so fulfilling to like see you guys enjoying it the same way that I am. So thank you guys so much. If you follow my TikTok and have been showing support, I really appreciate it. I feel like this is pretty good. I should have used my electric mixer, but I didn't want to get more dishes dirty because I already need to run my dishwasher. Okay, I'm gonna start lining the pan. I was gonna do like a whole Gallentine's video and like host a little Gallentine's night with my friends, but school just caught up to me this week. I had midterms and that just ended up taking way more time than I was expecting. I had a bunch of essays and I'm honestly just kind of struggling in one of my classes right now. The concepts are not really clicking for me, and so it's just been like a tough week mentally and academically, I guess. I only have 5 more weeks left of college. That's actually crazy. I haven't thought about it like that until right now. I'm actually gonna put this in a plastic bag and like pipe it in these. I've seen people do that and I want to try it. I don't really know how I'm gonna get it in here though. Okay, we're gonna try this. I did not think that was gonna work so well. This is kind of an arm workout. Okay, I cut the hole. Let's see if this works. Ah, shoot, wait, this actually is not, wait, shoot, wait. I did not really think this through. How are people stopping it in between? Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like this is just like a life update session, but I have been watching Severance. Please comment if you also watch Severance. I watched season 1 not right as it came out, but a little after, and waited like 2 years for season 2 to come out, and I've been watching it every week. I watched episode 4 a couple nights ago. It scared me. If you know, you know, I'm the biggest scaredy cat. Episode 4 got me. If you watch the show, you probably know what part I'm talking about, but I feel like I don't talk about the shows that I'm into or like the movies that I'm into super often. I guess you guys did hear me talk about how much I was obsessed with Wicked, but if you didn't know, I am a film and media major, so I feel like it's only right that I talk about this stuff more. Okay, this was not the best idea. It's way messier than I thought. Okay, these are going in the oven for 20 minutes. Set a timer for 20 minutes. Okay, they're in the oven. But yeah, I just wanted to say you guys should watch that show. It's so good. The concept is crazy. It's hard to even explain. It's about people who decide to get severed, which is when basically like you turn into a different person when you go to work and you don't remember it. Your brain just like shuts off basically and becomes literally a whole new person. I'm not very good at explaining this, but that's like the concept. It sounds like a great idea in theory because then you don't have to work, but there's a lot of really weird, shady things that start happening and it is just such a good show. Oh my God. I can't even recommend it enough. I feel like no explanation will match how good it is. Anyways, okay, while these are in the oven, I think I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit. There were a couple things that I wanted to film for TikTok, so maybe I'll do that and I will update you guys later. Okay, I filmed a few TikToks. When I say TikToks, just know I also mean reels and shorts, so I don't have to clarify every time. But I just got this brandy set in the mail, and look how cute it is. Ignore the clothes on my bed. But isn't this so cute? It's like the perfect shade of red. And then I also got this top to wear under it if I wanted to. And this tank top is so cute. This is just like the perfect little outfit. But yeah, I'm gonna change back into the sweatshirt I was wearing earlier, but I'm gonna leave on the sweatpants because I think they would actually look really cute together. And then we're gonna frost the cupcakes. currently editing this video, and tell me why one of the clips is just completely gone. I cannot find this clip anywhere on any of my SD cards. Basically, I did end up having a little Gallentine's night with my friends. I didn't think it was gonna be able to happen. My light just died, but I was hoping to go more all out with it. But since I didn't have much time, I wasn't really able to. I got a couple clips and took some pictures, so I will insert them here. This was on the night of Super Bowl Sunday. We had the cupcakes that I made. My friends brought flowers, cookies, chips, and then we ended up just playing a game we played for the girls, which was so much fun. And yeah, I'm so sorry that this is how I'm having to tell you about it. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna insert the clips and the pictures right here, and I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, I thought I would end this video by giving you guys some outfit ideas. I love all of these. They're so simple, but so cute. I feel like they work for a bunch of different activities too. Let me get my water, you guys. When the sun is like beaming into my room, it is so hot in here. Okay, I'm back. Let's just get right into it. First up is the one I'm actually wearing right now. It is this adorable little workout set with this wrap top over it. It's a tank top, by the way. The workout set is from TikTok shop. I will link everything on my showcase, which is basically like an Amazon storefront, but for TikTok. I just realized you could do that recently. So this will be on there, and then this little wrap top is from Amazon, and it like has a little tie right here. It's so cute. I got this idea from Acquired Style. I believe her name is Bridget on TikTok. She always makes these super beautiful morning in my life videos and goes to work out and wears these cute little wrap tops with all of her workout sets. I wore one today to Pilates. I have a pink one of these, so I wore that, and it was so nice because Pilates is a workout where I don't really sweat a ton. It doesn't get super hot in there, so it actually feels really nice to have a long sleeve on. Anyways, next outfit. We have this cute little black and white polka dot top. I feel like this outfit is good for people who maybe don't love the Valentine's colors, like the pink and red, but still want to feel festive. So I paired this little polka dot top from Princess Polly with these white jeans from Addicted. These are super baggy. They're so cute, but for the pop of color, I added this little brandy red purse. Such a cute color combo, looks so timeless. Next up, this is almost the exact same silhouette. We have this baby pink top from Hollister. It's like super flowy, it's adorable. And then I paired that with my Levi's low loose jeans. But then to make it like a tiny bit more interesting, I added this Coach bag. You can use any bag that's like colorful, obviously, but I just thought the colors looked really cute on this one with the light pink. My friend actually thrifted this and she gave it to me because she thought it looked like my style, and I am obsessed with it. This is like one of the coolest bags I own. Thank you, Kaylin, I love you. Also, keep in mind, I'm not the biggest shoe person, so I'm not really saying what shoes I'm wearing, except for I think like one outfit. I need all the help I can get with shoes, to be honest. Okay, next one. This is actually another like not too colorful one, but still really pretty. So I have this white top. I actually also got this on TikTok shop. I just think this is stunning. It has this little rose right here, and it has this little like dangly thing. I don't know, I just think this looks gorgeous. And then I feel like I normally wouldn't do this, but I went for a little monochromatic moment, paired it with these white jeans, and it ended up looking so cute. And then I added the red purse. I don't know, I just really like this. I think maybe you could do some like fun shoes with it too, maybe some cute red heels or something. I don't know. All of the outfits are pretty casual. If you haven't already picked up on that, this next one is very casual, but I'm obsessed. I think I showed this to you guys. It is the Spiritual Gangster crew neck that says Lovers Club, and then I also paired it with my Levi's. I feel like this is just such like a classic timeless outfit, I guess. A nice big oversized crew neck with some quality blue jeans. Whenever I pair things like this together, I just think like, I feel like my dad would have worn this in the 90s, or like someone would have worn this on Friends or something, you know? I actually have one of my dad's crew necks and I wear it all the time. I also paired it with this brown purse. This is from Brandy. I think this is so cute. I feel like I always get questions about this bag. It's like a brown corduroy. Next, you guys have seen this sweater before. I wear it all the time. I have this little off the shoulder sweater from Urban, and I paired it with this cute little denim skirt from Grey Bandit. So it obviously has built-in shorts. It is just so comfortable, super soft, really nice quality. It's definitely worth the money, I would say. I just feel so secure wearing a skirt. And then for this one, I paired it with this little brown bag from Brandy. I don't often wear bags that don't have like a shoulder, I guess this does fit on my shoulder, but don't have like shoulder length straps. Like this is more of like a little handbag. I don't wear these a lot since they're not the most practical, but every once in a while this can be so cute and can really like complete a look. I feel like wearing a handbag just looks so classy. And then I paired it with some brown boots. I have these ones that are Ralph Lauren. I'm always slipping and sliding in these because the heels have fallen off. I thrifted these, but I really liked this outfit. I love the pink and brown color combo. You guys already saw this one, but I just have to mention it again. The little sweat set from Brandy is just so perfect. I guess these aren't like Valentine's Day specific outfit ideas, more just like February outfits in general, because like you're probably not gonna wear a sweat set on a date unless unless you're doing like a cute little night in, that would be perfect. But yeah, I was actually wearing this today. It's just such nice quality, so comfortable, and this is the perfect shade of red. Okay, next I have this little button down. This is hard to see right now because it kind of like cinches in a little bit, but it's just this light pink striped top. I paired it with the denim skirt, my brown boots, and then the same brown purse. So this is super similar to the one with the sweater. This top kind of gives like Charlotte York to me, if you've seen Sex and the City. I just love it. I haven't even worn it out yet. I haven't found a good place to wear it. And then last but not least, we have another super simple outfit. I just paired this pink and white striped top with my Levi's. This is from Brandy. I just ordered these from the Levi's website. Another outfit that I feel like is just so timeless. It can't go out of style. Like, it's just so simple. I also paired this with a cute little white bag. I really like this purse. It's from Princess Polly. It can fit so much. This is such a perfect bag for traveling because it's a really cute purse. You can just wear it like a normal shoulder bag. But when you've been walking around all day and you're tired of holding it on your shoulder, there's like a little strap extender that you can just clip on and make it a crossbody bag. And I just keep the strap inside of the purse. I was in Portland with my mom and my sister in August, and I brought this bag. I had a water bottle in here. I had my Kindle, all of my million lip balms, wallet, keys, all of that, and probably a lot more. And it all fit. It was super comfortable. I feel like it doesn't look like it would hold a ton of stuff because it's also like a little slouchy, which I like. But yeah, this thing is a black hole, honestly. I love this bag. Anyways, okay, I think that's all of the outfits that I had. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I wish I had been able to do more for this video, but still, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, whether you're celebrating with your family, your friends, your significant other, whoever it is, make the most out of it. And if you stayed until the end, comment the love letter emoji. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.